How to delete Facebook watch history. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the top right corner. Now select on the gear icon over here that will lead you to settings and privacy. Now simply what you need to do is, what you can simply do over here is you can just tap and scroll over here and you can see the option of activity log. So select on that. As you select an activity log, you'll be able to see different options like public post, public tags, and so on. So you can just drag it to the left over here and you can see the option of videos watched. So simply select on the videos watched option. So as you do that, you'll be able to see all these videos that you have watched. So if you want to just delete all the Facebook watch history, you can tap on clear video watch history option over here. Now select on that and then tap on the clear option to confirm, and this will start clearing the video watch history over here, and after few seconds and few minutes over here you'll be able to delete Facebook watch history. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.